มื้อนี้ Good morning พายุเข้าอีกแล้ว Storm coming now Rain storm is coming now in Laos This morning coffee morning and survivor is my this is a balcony it's my balcony okay coffee morning coffee and this before back to Australia okay morning tree with the rain season and banana leaf coconut leaf and birds still singing here okay relax before go home back to Australia